What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sierra Cheyenne, and I am back with another video. This video is going to be of me showing you guys what my 2021 sinking funds are for the year of 2021. Now, this video I had to prolong for maybe about 3 weeks now, and I say that because the lady that I ordered from with the envelopes, she had to make them. She never kept me posted on what my envelope status was, and I have about 7, and I've done multiple orders through her, and it's never taken her this long, so I'm not really sure what was going on or whatever the case may be. I told her that she could drop them off at the house and that it would be no problem because I was gone this weekend and I just literally got back in town today. But sorry y'all, that was a little release because I've been upset because I needed to get these videos out, and I know some people watch my videos, and I was a little upset, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was very upset because I'm actually enjoying doing these videos for you guys because I get so much feedback, whether it's through a DM, a comment, or Facebook, because some of you guys have me personally on Facebook. It actually helps me to encourage me to keep going. No, it has not been an easy journey because I've been trying to be consistent with YouTube for a good minute now. But it's always a trial and tribulation to something. But sorry y'all, little rant. We're gonna go ahead and get started, but before we get started, I'm gonna need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Share this video with your family because I also share it on Facebook and somebody always shares it. Thank you guys for subscribing. Like I said in my last video before the one that's actually up before this one, I was telling you guys I don't know who my 33rd subscriber was, but thank you guys for always subscribing, showing love, liking videos, commenting, posting good comments or whatever the case may be. Thank you guys for that because I really do appreciate it because it keeps me in tune with what you guys like, what you guys don't like, yada yada yada. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the video. All right, so I'm sorry, this is what my washi looks like, and this is also what the sinking funds for 2021 layout looks like. I got this from Erica Live Vlogs, and the reason why I prolonged this video was so long was because if you haven't looked at my recent video, it actually goes along with the month of February, which is a lot of pink, and January was a lot of blue, and I didn't want to have like blue and then pink on one page and you got all this blue, so I decided not gonna do that. So that's why the video is made in February instead of January. If anybody has noticed that I didn't post it in January, but yeah, that's what's pretty much going on right here. Sorry y'all, I'm just gonna take this whole thing back up because it's not gonna work. So I want to act a little stubborn, which is cool, but this is what happened in my last video. Please don't do this to me. Please don't. Okay. Are you serious? Y'all seen how that came off? It has to be the way her machine did that. That just made me so mad. Because now it look like inking funds. I'm so dead. Sorry, guys. Oh my god. Still gonna try and get it to where... Shoot. It's all over here, but it's fine. And I actually did write this out before because I wanted to actually make sure that I was doing this right. And I actually even showed my mom because, like, we've been trying to do this whole budget thing since last year. I probably started since about mid-August with watching budget videos, and this is something that's been like keeping me seriously like occupied. My boyfriend has me a green screen, and he said he's gonna set me up my green screen so that I can learn how to have stuff in the background. And then he wants to actually start up a YouTube channel as well with me. So that's what we're gonna also plan. But this is pretty much what it looks like. So I'm actually gonna transfer it over here. Like I told you guys, I have about 7 sinking funds. So let's go ahead and get started. So one of my sinking funds is car maintenance. Another one is car tags, Christmas, housing, birthdays, toiletries, and vacation. So this is all 7 of my sinking funds. And you know what I just noticed? 7 is the number of completion. So which means we need to get this done this year. Of course, there's been some setbacks, but with every setback, there is always a way to recover, which is all about taking your time. Everybody is not on the same track as you. Everybody should not be in a rush. Everybody cannot do the same thing as you because everybody is on a different track. Some people may feel like they're ahead. Some people feel like they're stagnant. Some people feel like they're back further than what they are. But take your time because it's always... Don't work at anybody else's pace, basically. Just work at your own pace. I don't know why I did that, but something in me, my spirit told me to say something about that. Made me feel better, but that kind of goes for me too. So, yeah. So, my yearly goal for my car maintenance is actually $300. And this is through, so I'll do 1/21 to 12/21. And monthly, I should be putting away $25. And every paycheck, I should be putting away $13. For my car tags, my yearly goal is $430. My tags roughly sit about $408, $410, but I round it up because sometimes they do like to add extra stuff. And this one is up until July 21st. I'm sorry, July 2021. And monthly, I should be putting away $62. every check I should be putting away $31. Christmas, my yearly goal is $500. And that goes from 1 to 12, 21. And every month, no, I want to keep writing with purple. I should be putting away $42. Every check, I should be putting away $21. For housing, of course, I live with my people, but I do want to move out. And I should be putting my goal is $2,500 just for this year. Of course, yeah, I'm not gonna speak on that. I'll let that one, because you don't want to tell everybody what you're doing. So 121 to 1221. And for housing monthly, I need to put away $209. And then every paycheck, I should be putting away $105. For birthdays, my yearly goal is $250. Monthly, I need to put away birthdays. I'm sorry, I'm a little ahead of myself. Is $12.21. Every month, I need to be putting away $21. Every check, I should be putting away $11. And if you guys are wondering how I do this, simply what you do is you take your amount goal that you have. For example, car maintenance, I have $300 that I want to have by the end of the year. Really, I have a new car, so there's really not much maintenance that I need to get done every time I go. And so like I was saying, my monthly goal or my yearly goal for my car maintenance is $300. I don't need a lot of maintenance on my car this year. So what you do is you take your yearly amount, you divide it by 12 to get this number. Then you divide it by 2 to get this number, because I get paid twice this month. So I would take 13 from one check, 13 from another check. That will make 25. Now, that's not really going to be 25. It's going to be like 26, because I technically rounded up for this one, because I don't do half numbers when it comes to like cash and coins. So it'll be a little overstuffed, but that's fine as long as I reach my goal. So that's how you get these numbers for your monthly and then every check. So for toiletries, I don't have a yearly goal for this one, so I'm not gonna put anything here. And this one goes from the 1st to 12/21. I did that wrong, but it's okay. Monthly put away, I said $5 to $10, but I'll do $5 to $10. And then every check, I'm literally putting $5 to $10 away. And then for vacation this year, I said my yearly goal was $2,400. And that's from January to December. And monthly, I need to be putting away $200. And every check, I need to be putting away $100. So that's pretty much what that is looking like. Now, all of these goals are very, 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 very reachable. Very, very, very reachable. And I'm excited. I had a little setback over the weekend to kind of discourage me, but don't feed into what everybody says. Like I said, everybody's different. Everybody does not go through the same things you go through in certain aspects, but then again, we're all human, so we might not go through all of them at the same time or at the same pace or in the same action, if you get my drift. But you know, take your time. Don't try to rush something to be with the crowd or whatever the case may be. I'm gonna throw this up, but I'm gonna do it off camera. This is what my sinking funds are looking like. I'm excited. I'm just waiting on the envelopes so I can start doing my cash stuffing videos. But that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified every time that I post. And that is it, guys. I love you guys. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.